Crispy on the outside, soft in the middle, French toast feels like a hug you can eat. But here's the twist. It isn't really French. The story starts in ancient Rome. The Romans had a dish called alita dulcia, another sweet dish. They used day-old bread, dipped it in milk and beaten eggs, then fried in oil or butter, sweetened it with honey. Sound familiar? That trick, rescuing stale bread with richness, was genius. From there, the idea traveled. Medieval Europe picked it up fast. Bread was precious, nothing went to waste. In France it was called pain perdu, lost bread. Dunk it, fry it, dust it with sugar. Yesterday's loaf became a treat. England made eggy bread. Spain served tortillas, often soaked with wine for Lent, then drizzled with syrup. Portugal had rabanadas at Christmas. Same heart, different accents. So why do we call it French toast? Blame branding. 18th to 19th century. French cuisine had prestige in America and Britain. Restaurants and cookbooks leaned into the name, and it stuck. In the United States, French toast became pure comfort. It fit the diner playbook. Cheap bread, pantry staples, big flavor. During lean times, think the Great Depression, families stretched every crumb. After the war, supermarket loaves and weekend breakfasts turned it into a sugary ritual. Add cinnamon, add vanilla, a snowstorm of powdered sugar. Boom, Saturday morning happiness. Then the world added its own swagger. France, simple pain Perdu, custody, caramelized edges. Hong Kong, thick slices, peanut butter between or kaya, deep fried, butter on top, golden syrup pouring down. Japan, pillowy shokupan soaked overnight, barely set inside, cafe perfect. India, Bombay toast with cardamom and condensed milk. New Orleans, brioche pain Perdu with praline sauce. Mexico, tres leches style soaks. Across climates and languages, one idea connects them: turn leftovers into luxury. It's thrift turned into theater. Quick bite, how to nail crispy outside, soft inside. Use slightly stale bread. Brioche, challah. Whisk eggs with milk. Add a pinch of salt. Add sugar. Add vanilla. Don't drown the slice. Soak until the center drinks but doesn't collapse. Medium heat. Butter. A splash of neutral oil so it won't burn. Let it sit 30 seconds after frying. Steam finishes the custard. Top with honey, berries, maple, a slick of lemon and sugar. From Roman pan to global plate, French toast isn't just breakfast. It's proof that small comforts travel far and get sweeter along the way.